So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap, and I hope guys you are preparing really well for your upcoming examination. Now guys, coming to today's lecture, that is on PIB News, we are discussing another environment related initiative. In the previous section also I have discussed a lifestyle movement जो कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने रिसेंटली अनाउंस की थी, ठीक है, विच इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म मूवमेंट. बट हियर इट इज अ प्रोग्राम विच इज अगेन ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज मैनेजमेंट. सो सिंपली व्हाट यू शुड रिमेंबर हियर इज, ठीक है, तो क्लाइमेट चेंज मैनेजमेंट का प्रोग्राम है. नाउ एनवायरमेंट इज हियर, सो लॉट ऑफ क्लाइमेट रिलेटेड इनिशिएटिव्स आर बीइंग टेकिंग प्लेस. सो दीज आर ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, अब ये क्लाइमेट चेंज मूवमेंट किसने लॉन्च किया है? दैट इज बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स. ठीक है, सो आई होप यू हैव सीन द प्रीवियस सेशन आल्सो. यहाँ पे कुछ चीजों का डिफरेंस है जो आपके साथ मैं डिस्कस करूंगा इन दिस सेशन. ठीक है, बिफोर दैट इफ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड दैट स्पेसिफिक वीडियो ऑफ द लाइफस्टाइल मूवमेंट, what you can do is you can subscribe to our telegram channel, subscribe to our youtube channel, also to the telegram channel to get the pdf of that lecture, and आप youtube वीडियो भी देख सकते हो हमारे youtube channel पे. ठीक है जी. now guys, coming to this specific initiative, just from this headings of PIB, many things that are important for the examination can be covered easily. तो मैंने पहले चीज क्या बोली थी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स ने रिलीज किया है. अब देखो क्या है इसका प्रोग्राम का फुल नेम. इट इज नोन एज लीडर्स इन क्लाइमेट चेंज मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम, दैट इज LCCM प्रोग्राम. तो वो क्या था? लाइफ, ठीक है, लाइफ स्टाइल से रिलेटेड था. ये बेसिकली लीडर्स को आप डेवलप करना चाहते हो. The important are these will be urban professionals. This is something really important. In the previous session that I have discussed, वहां पे कोई भी प्रोग्राम हमने या कोई भी किसी स्पेसिफिक टारगेट को टारगेट नहीं किया जा रहा था, but this program is specifically targeting the urban professionals. Now, the second important thing is, as the program was launched, National Institute of Urban Affairs and WRI India, they have joined hands for this practice-based learning program. So now from here we have understand that it is a practice-based learning program. So it is a learning program, nothing like a movement something here. So it is a practice-based learning program. Then within this headings, the other important information that was shared was कि इसका फर्स्ट डिलीवरी पार्टनर कौन बनेगा. द फर्स्ट डिलीवरी पार्टनर इज बेसिकली Mysore's Administrative Training Institute, ठीक है, which will basically help you in working this face-to-face learning modules. So basically I will discuss that how many modules are there, but face-to-face learning module में Mysore का Administrative Training Institute जो है वो आपकी help करेगा. It's the first delivery partner there. So 3 points important. Then the aims are always important. तो aim क्या है? आपको कैपेसिटी बनानी है, to build a capacity, training capacity among the 5,000 urban leaders by 2027. Now which means I always say to you, data are important. So both these data, 5,000 urban leaders by 2027 are important. So I think the major thing that has been discussed in the heading I have discussed with you here. Now let's discuss this program in a very elaborative way. ठीक है जी. तो पहली चीज मैंने आपको से डिस्कस की थी, प्रोग्राम इज ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स, but along with that the other co-designing and implementing partners are two we have discussed, that is NIUA, National Institute of Urban Affairs, and the World Resource Institute India. Other two are Indian School of Business and United Nations Environment Program. तो देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान क्या रखना है, simply related because it is related to environment. ठीक है, क्लाइमेट चेंज की बात है, क्लाइमेट किससे रिलेट करता है? एनवायरमेंट से. तो याद रखना इट इज यूनाइटेड नेशंस एनवायरमेंट प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, तो यहां से हम याद कर लेंगे एनवायरमेंट. और क्योंकि लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है तो लर्निंग में क्या होता है, आप लर्न कर रहे हो तो वहां से कौन सा स्कूल हेल्प करे? दैट इज इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस इज हेल्पिंग यू हियर. नाउ एम आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू, अर्बन प्रोफेशनल्स को क्लाइमेट एक्शंस के लिए आपने बेसिकली ट्रेन करना और उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्ड करनी है. ठीक है. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सम फीचर्स, सो अर्निंग अर्बन प्रैक्टिशनर्स आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू. कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग हमने पहले डिस्कस कर लिया था, 5,000 प्रोफेशनल्स बाय 2027. अब देखो ये लोग करेंगे क्या, व्हाट दे विल डू, दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर ऑन, दैट इज दे विल बिकम अ चैंपियन क्लाइमेट चेंज एडेप्टेशन एंड मिटिगेशन सॉल्यूशंस. नाउ इफ आई डिस्कस इट विद यू, द प्रीवियस लेक्चर दैट आई हैव डिस्कस्ड लाइफस्टाइल मूवमेंट, वहां पे हमने दो इनिशिएटिव्स डिस्कस किए थे. एक क्या किया था, ग्लोबल पेपर, दैट इज लाइफ ग्लोबल पेपर, एंड द सेकंड वन वाज द प्रो प्लैनेट पीपल. सो आई थिंक जिसने पढ़ लिया है they might revise it here. These were some two other things. यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The only thing is these trained professionals will basically be now become a champion climate change. वो दोनों चीजें करेंगे, adaptation भी करेंगे और मिटिगेट सोल्यूशन भी करेंगे, ठीक है। तो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर। यहाँ पे क्या था, दीज आर आइडिया पीपल एंड दीज आर बेसिकली दोज हु विल अडेप्ट दिस और अडॉप्ट दिस थिंकिंग, ठीक है जी। नाउ एज आई डिस्कस अर्लियर ऑन कि मैसूर ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जो है वो आपका फेस टू फेस मॉड्यूल में हेल्प करेगा, बट द ओवरऑल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग will be hosted on this National Institute of Urban Platform which is a program of NIUA। तो NIUA के अंदर ही आपकी ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्रोवाइड की जाएगी, बट इट विल बी डन बाय नेशनल अर्बन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म। एज आई डिस्कस दिस थिंग, सो फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर इज Mysore एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट। नाउ गाइस देयर इज वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, there was some initiative of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs that is by the name of CITES, City Investment to Innovate, Integrate and Sustain. This was a program that was launched earlier by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, which we will discuss later on. But the important thing here is this program is quite being interlinked to this specific LCCM initiative. How it is being interlinked? The first thing here is the first cohort of your LCCM program will basically have the 12 cities who are the participants from this CITES initiative. So important क्या है यहाँ पे याद रखना, it is 12 cities, ठीक है। Then the second important thing is LCCM will now become an integral part of CITES 2. So CITES 1 में क्या है, फर्स्ट कोहॉर्ट में 12 cities इस प्रोग्राम का पार्ट बनेगी, whereas LCCM will later become an integral part of this CITES 2.0. So this is something important. This program interlinkage is again important for us. Now as I have discussed कि इसके 4 मॉड्यूल्स हैं, तो 4 मॉड्यूल्स कौन से हैं। Now मैसूर वाला, the मैसूर program is basically for the face to face model, that is for your second phase. But when I talk about other phases, the first one is online learning module. So online learning module में कौन help कर रहा है आपका NIUS। So online learning module will basically be completed in 8 weeks. Then the face to face sessions will take place after that, which will be from 4 to 6 days. Then the participants will have to complete a project within 6 to 8 months, ठीक है, by visiting, ठीक है जी। Then last but not the least, the last program is what is it is focusing on is networking और establishing क्या होगी आपकी community of practice. So these are the 4 phases of this specific program. So हमने सारा program discuss कर लिया, but as I have discussed there was an important by the name of CITES. So what is CITES, ठीक है। But before moving to CITES guys, I want to discuss one thing here. Previously also when I talk about the previous initiative, वहां पे भी Prime Minister has said that during a COP26 summit, that is at Glasgow, he has proposed this lifestyle movement. Similarly on that specific event, he has talked about Panch Amrit Action Plan. So I think you should revise this Panch Amrit Action Plan also, because from these plans now the government is starting implementing the initiatives. तो जो आपका LCCM है वो भी पंचामृत से ही निकला है, ठीक है। सो यू हैव टू रिवाइज दैट स्पेसिफिक पंचामृत एक्शन प्लान दैट वाज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड इन योर COP26 समिट प्रपोज्ड बाय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। तो जो भी टारगेट्स है यू शुड रिवाइज दैट थिंग, ठीक है जी। नाउ कमिंग बैक टू दिस, दैट इज CITES इनिशिएटिव। सो CITES इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, इट इज वाज लॉन्च्ड इन ईयर 2018, ठीक है। सो इट वाज एन ओल्डर इनिशिएटिव, 2018 में लॉन्च हुआ था। अब यहाँ पे इंप्लीमेंटिंग पार्टनर कौन से हैं यहाँ पे, you don't have to get confused with the earlier initiative. The implementing partners are Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, AFD, that is Agency Française de Development, and the European Union. These were the 3 supporting agencies, and this was financed by these 2 agencies of AFD and European Union. What was the aim of that specific initiative is, यहाँ पे climate change हो रही है, वहां पे basically क्या था, आपको they will provide you financial assistance, ठीक है, by way of grants and technical assistance. So how you can do the climate initiative में कैसे help करेगा, it will basically help in providing the financial assistance में यहाँ से help कर सकता है through the LCCM initiative. Okay जी, then the key features I have discussed. तो project management में हाथ करेगा, जो tool framework है वो बनाता है, and it is being managed by basically PMU. तो वहाँ पे हमने क्या पढ़ा था, NULP, ठीक है जी। यहाँ पे क्या है, PMU, that is Project Management Unit of NIUA. The overall agency in the both the initiatives are National Institute of Urban Affairs. So this was all about guys today's program of LCCM. Now let's practice something, ठीक है जी। So here based on your, because your paper to examination of RBI is coming, based on that similar pattern I have created a paragraph for you, and then we will discuss some questions. So now guys you can easily see this paragraph, ठीक है, have a look at this paragraph, and then we will see the questions now. So I hope you have seen the paragraph. Now the first question on this paragraph is that I think यहाँ पे आंसर मैंने आपको पहले 2027. तो 5,000 प्रोफेशनल्स कब तक ट्रेंड होंगे? That is by 2027 as we have discussed. The second question is now here is a statement based question. We have to look at the statements here and then you have to answer the question. ठीक है जी? Look at these statements and then we will discuss the question here. So I hope guys you have seen all these three statements. Now I'll give you the options. Let's look at the option and then you have to give the answer here. ठीक है जी, किसका आंसर क्या है? Now guys, before I think आप सब लोगों ने अपना आंसर मार्क कर लिया. Now let's see the question again. The question first of all, as I have discussed with you always, you have to first see whether they are asking correct statement or incorrect statement. तो correct statement पूछी है. Correct में अब उन्होंने आपको पहली चीज क्या दी है? Implementation. We know the four agencies: NIUA, WRI India. The third one is UNEP and this is Indian School of Business. तो यहाँ पे UNDP दिया है, which means it is not Environment Development Program. तो first statement is incorrect. Second statement is the first cohort of the program will have participants from 15 cities of CITES program. तो CITES program से होगा, बिल्कुल सही है, but not 15 cities. This will be 12 cities that we have discussed. Then Administrative Training Institute has now become the first delivery partner of the program. That is absolutely right, and they have signed an MOU for that with NIUA and WRI India. This statement is absolutely right. So which gives us the impression that the answer will be option number D. That is only 3 will be the answer. So these are guys I always discuss with you when you attempt these kind of questions, especially statement based questions. The important thing here is you just have to focus on the basic things and from that you can get the answer. ठीक है जी? Now guys, coming to the homework question. So yes, the answer was only one, Earth. That is the theme of the World Environment Day that I have discussed with you. ठीक है जी? तो World Environment Day से ही दो initiatives हमने discuss किए हैं. ठीक है? That was the lifestyle movement and the second is this LCCM. Both are related to environment and both are very very important for our topic of sustainable development and environmental issues. Now guys, these are the people who have given the answer. सुष्मिता चक्रवर्ती, ललित खामकर, छावी सक्सेना, हंसा गुप्ता, करण चौधरी, ठीक है जी, देनिस, आदित्य कृष्णा एंड चैतन्य शर्मा. They have given the answer. Now guys, as I have discussed during this lecture also the पंच अमृत strategy मैंने आपसे डिस्कस की थी. तो there are lot of targets, but I have asked you a very important target because net zero carbon emission की काफी ज्यादा बात हुई थी in both these sessions. ठीक है? In both the initiatives when these were launched, the Prime Minister was talking about this Panchamrit Action Plan, so I thought why not to ask you a question on this Panchamrit Action Plan. And I have just given you the one question, but I want you to comment me all the targets that are basically being designed or basically being targeted under this Panchamrit Action Plan. The first one I am asking you is basically कि हमें net zero target जो है वो which year तक, किस year तक हम net zero target achieve कर लेंगे, ठीक है जी? That you have to tell me in the comment box. I also want guys, along with that you should also comment me all the targets of this Panch Amrit Action Plan. ठीक है जी? चलो. So guys, this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed the lecture. ठीक है? You guys, अगर दोनों में कोई difference भी था वो भी मैंने आपको बता दिया in this lifestyle movement, the previous lecture and this LCCM initiative. Still, if you have any kind of doubt, you can drop us an email. Our email ID is hello@edutab.co.in. You could even place us a call. Our mobile number is 8146207241. So I hope guys you have liked the lecture. Okay? And keep reading, keep working hard, and wish you all the best for your examination, guys. Bye bye.